Hey everybody, it's Dan from Always on Liberty. We're still at the SEMA show, but we found our friends at the Torklift booth. So stay tuned and we'll be right back in a few seconds and they'll talk to you about some innovative products that they've brought to the SEMA show in 2019. Welcome back to the channel. It's Always on Liberty. I'm Dan. This is Kyler. This is Kyle. They're here at the SEMA show with the Torklift International booth, and they're going to show you some innovative products that they've brought with them from their company.
Yeah, so we're Torklift International. We're based out of Sumner, Washington, which is about 45 minutes south of Seattle. We've been in business for 43 years. We're 100% USA made with a legendary lifetime warranty on all of our product. The product that we are going to go over today with you is our GlowStep Revolution series. You can see there right below, we have the GlowStep Revolution, which is the step well mount. We're going to have Kyle over here kind of show you how it works. I'm going to narrate it for him. So you have a lever on the left and right hand side. All you have to do is pull that out, and then you grab the tread, and it's going to fall into its first position. And it's called the GlowStep Revolution because you can tell right here you have emergency strip lighting on each corner. So 5 to 10 minutes of light exposure, you have up to 10 hours of illumination. And like I said, it's 100% USA made, and this material is actually 100% aircraft grade aluminum and stainless steel. So you don't have to deal with any corrosion, and that's down to the stainless steel nuts and bolts as well. Right now we're in the first position. You can move it down to a second position as well as a third position. And this is great because every campsite has a different type of terrain. So, you know, you got potholes, you got rocks, you got roots, you got stumps. So you don't have to move your trailer if you want to adjust your steps. You can have nice level steps. And also down here we added the all-terrain landing gear. This has 5 points of positioning. It's just an easy push tab so you can individually adjust the legs. Yep. Now you saw them deploy it, and it's super simple to deploy and store the step. You just pick it up from the bottom. It's a multi-hinge link design, so it's nice and compact. You lift that lever up, and you can put the steps away. And then you have a safety pin on the side there for travel, more for peace of mind, because it is locked into place with this spring-loaded lever. Now that's the GlowStep Revolution. This comes in 2 to 6 steps. Most recently, we just came out with the GlowStep Revolution Uprising. This goes inside the door. You know, you've been to all these lots and seen the new units. You see a lot of the drawbridge style steps, right? Those are great. They're nice and sturdy, but sometimes you can have proximity issues, so it doesn't work for everyone if you park it on the side of your house, storage lots, because storage lots, you have like 2 feet of clearance if you're lucky. So with this system, because it's a multi-hinge link design, it's nice and compact, so you don't run into any of those proximity issues. So you can see you have a little latch right there. Just pull the latch, and then you fold down the steps, and then you extract them. Super simple. Right now it's a 3-step. With this system, we threw in a built-in booster step. So it's a 3-step that can easily get turned into a 4-step. So this is great because, you know, every campsite's different. Sometimes, you know, Memorial Day weekend, you get the last campsite, it's kind of hanging off a cliff. So you have the adjustments with the step system. It's great because you have 7.5 inches of adjustment with the built-in booster step, as well as an additional 7.5 inches of adjustment with the all-terrain landing gear. So that's a total of 15 inches of adjustment with the step system. And I almost forgot to add, actually, just because we could, there is a quick disconnect feature with this. So all you have to do, it doesn't require any tooling. You just pick it up and pop the system out. It's great for toy haulers because, you know, if you want an extra room for like a dirt bike or something, you have the room for it. Or, you know, if, again, proximity issue, if someone parks up right next to you at the grocery store, you can just take the steps out, and if you need to crawl inside real quick. And then again, it's like a tailgate of a truck. It just kind of slides in and falls into place, so it's nice and quick. You don't need to grab a wrench or a ratchet. So those are the 2 systems, the GlowStep Revolution Uprising and the GlowStep Revolution. What's great about the GlowStep Revolution, the first step system that we showed you, is that it's a no-drill application. It goes right into your factory compartment, and it's 4 bolts, the easiest install you'll do. Up here, it's a little different. You don't have to drill into your floor. It's actually 6 bolts into the flanges of your door sill, which is great because, you know, you don't have to do any modification to your floor.
So thank you, Kyler. Thank you, Kyle. Lisa and I can personally attest to the quality and the durability of the GlowStep Revolution steps. We put a set in our 5th wheel a few years ago. Incredible products. Took us less than an hour, the 2 of us, to bolt them in. We disposed of the old rusty steel steps that were just garbage that came as original equipment. These were a tremendous improvement to the 5th wheel. Very durable, very lightweight, a quality product. Once again, built in the U.S. Thank you so much, Kyler, for spending your time with us here today. Thank you.
All right.